Hi turtles, welcome to Writing. Today's Monday, April 19th, 2021. Now, like we talked about during morning meeting, this Thursday, April 22nd, is Earth Day. So Earth Day was actually started in 1970 to spread awareness about pretty much about taking care of our Earth. And that brought about a lot of discussions, a lot of conversations about how we can take care of the Earth and what we can do to change the way we're living so that we can take care of our planet. Now, this doesn't mean that we're only doing these things on Earth Day. The things that we should be doing to help take care of our planet, we should be doing all the time. This day and for us this week is just a time to really focus in and talk about this, to think about, hey, what should I be doing during my everyday life to make sure that our planet is being taken care of? So let's go over 3 important words that you need to know. The first is reduce. Can you say this? Reduce. So to reduce means to use less of something. So if you are reducing electricity, you will use less electricity, less power. You'll turn off the lights when you leave the room. If you're reducing the amount of water you use, maybe you take shorter showers or you turn off the sink when you're brushing your teeth. So that would be to reduce. The next R word is reuse. Can you say this? Reuse. Notice both of these words have prefixes. So to reuse means to use things again. So if you reuse a bag, you're using it again. If you reuse a water bottle, you're using it again. Then there's less waste. Our last R word, recycle. This little picture says, sorting my trash so things can be used again. So some things that you can recycle are paper, aluminum cans, water bottles, cardboard. All of these things we don't put out with our trash, but instead we put in a recycle bin, and that way they can be broken down and used again for new things. So these are 3 important words to keep in your mind all throughout this week. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Now I want you to think to yourself. Ask yourself, how can I help take care of the Earth? How can I help take care of the Earth? What can you, as a 7 or 8-year-old, do? You can definitely make a difference. We've talked about that. Even though you are young, you make a great deal of a difference. So what can you do? We are going to be writing a paragraph this week about this topic. Today is your brainstorming day, which means you are just thinking. You're going to list some things. And then tomorrow, we'll take these ideas that you brainstorm and we will start writing complete sentences together. So, take out a piece of paper to brainstorm with me right now. This can be blank paper or lined paper. Pause the video if needed. In the middle of your paper, write this sentence starter. I can help take care of the Earth by ... Those 3 dots tell us that this isn't a full sentence, but this is our sentence starter that's going to help us with our brainstorm. And then draw around this an oval or a cloud, because then we're going to create a graphic organizer and you're going to write some ideas. So think of one way you can help take care of the earth and write it in a circle. Think of another, however many you want. Think about a whole bunch of ways that you can take care of the earth. And maybe they build on each other. Maybe you need to make some circles going off of other circles. Maybe if you think about, like, you're thinking about water, maybe you want to be more descriptive about that water and add another circle coming off of it to tell exactly how you can help take care of the earth. That's totally fine if you want to do that. This is your brainstorm to finish this sentence starter. I can take care of the earth by what? What can you do? Remember our keywords: reuse, reduce, recycle. Come up with at least 3 things you can do, and then we'll use this paper tomorrow for our paragraph. Once you have at least 3, turn in a picture of this on Seesaw and make sure to do the phonics and spelling activity. Thank you.